Hello everyone, my name is Dixit and this is my channel Pen Test Diaries. So today I'll make another video of tech section, and in this I'll just show you one of the tool which I just came to know about it. It's Wazuh. So what exactly this tool is doing it, you simply have to install this tool on your any server itself, which either you have put it on EC2 instance or somewhere else, or even in a data center you can put it. And by that way, whatever the nodes, like taking example, if you have multiple devices and you want to check status, the security status of devices, whether the devices are secured or not, if there any vulnerability present on the device. It's not a type of Nessus type of tool, no, it's a type of thing like what type of software, if any unwanted connection is get established. So many security checks can be get it covered under this tool itself, and it's having a appropriate dashboard, which I'll show you that how to install it, how to make that setup. And one thing which I have tried from my side, I have built it the server on my machine itself, on the base machine itself, basically on a VM, and I'll put everything on Ubuntu. There is a limitation in few versions, you have to get installed only on those versions. It's not working on all the versions of I can say the Debian, so you just have to see the documentation appropriately first and accordingly go ahead further with that. And installation is bit easy, it hardly take 10-15 minutes to get installed the whole setup, and then you can able to see the dashboard, and to edit the agents also it's not take much time. So I'll just show you that how to do that. So this is a documentation, I'll put this URL in the video link and you can able to see that. So by this way you can get all the information about this type of dashboard you can able to see on your screen. Okay, so just to go ahead further with that, I'll show you that what to do. So I'll simply have to go, this is the dashboard login page you had seen after the installation for it. So right now I'll go to the terminal directly. This is a documentation which I have to take it forward. So this section is a quick start section, I have to go over here. Okay, and over here itself the requirement you have to be very clear first. For 25 agents you required 50 GB as a storage, 8 GB RAM and 4 CPU you required it. Okay, so that was the thing. In my case I have used it 2 as a processor and 2 as combination for it, so it's making as a 4-1. So try to make it like, if your system is not bit capable for it, like server is not capable for it, try to make it on EC2 instance so it's easy for you, as it's taking a lot of load. That was the reason it required a lot of energy for it. So let me go to the terminal now. What we have to do, we have to go down. These are the flavor on which we can install it if I'm talking about the Linux. Okay, I'll simply have to copy this command from here. I have done with the installation already, but just to demonstrate I'll put it once again for my side. Let me run this. I'll just wait for it. I think it's already done from my side, so that was the reason I'm getting this. It's not allow me. Okay, so I've done with the installation. You simply have to run this command. Once you're done with the command, you're getting a credentials. So at the end of this command you are getting the credentials. So let me go to the login page. So you by default at the end of that command output you are getting the credential once as a username as admin, and password you are getting it, so that you have to save it forever so that you can get it login on the dashboard. Let me get it login. So once you try to get it access first time, I'll show you that this will give you I have just created one agent, that was the reason it's showing me one agent over here itself. Okay, so let me go to the dashboard section. So this is the dashboard section. At the time of when you first time get it login, it will take hardly 2 or 3 or 4 minutes to get it installed, all the APIs, everything to be get it configured for you. Once you get it done with that, then after that it's whenever you get it login, you are see the dashboard faster. So in my case I have already created one agent. Let me try to delete that agent first and then I'll try to make that. Once again let me try to go to the agent section. I'll try to remove it. Okay, so what we have to do now, I'll just try to make one more agent. I'll go to the agent section. Okay, over here itself click on deploy a new agent. Once you click on it, you are seeing this screen. Just go to the Windows section, Mac OS, whatever the flavor you want to go ahead further with that. Even if it's this will support a Reddit also, that was the reason there is no problem with that. I'm taking this Debian EMD64. This I've already added, but I'll just show you that how to do that. This is assign an address of the server itself. So if you have put it on a AWS or somewhere else, you are getting one FEQN or the public IP address. So I'll ask you just to put that FEQN instead of go with that IP address. FDQN is the best option as it's not getting changed. Whensoever you are restarting the instance, and at the time the public IP definitely get changed. So it's better for either you if you're not having the static IP address, definitely go with the FDQN. I'll put that IP address just to get it copy from here. So you simply have to take this IP address. This is for my case. In your case, whatever the IP address, get it. If it's put it on a cloud, then it's a different case. Now whatever the name you want to give it to your PC. Okay, so I'm just making this as PC Linux. Okay, and now what I'll do, I'll have to select the existing group. I'm not making any new group, I'm just using a default one. Now this is the command, and simply have to get it copy. I'll go back to my machine. This is my machine which I'm taking it, which I'm running it. Okay, so consider this this is your another system, and where you are running this. So you simply have to run this now. In my case, it's already installed, already I've done with that. So that was the reason it's showing me that everything is completed soon. Once we're done with this, okay, it's done. Now what we have to do, we have to get it copy these commands. This will start the services. Okay, let me go to the Kali once again. Let me paste this and I'll run this. So this will start. Now everything is running fine for me. What I'll do, I'll simply have to go to my dashboard and go to the agents, and I can able to see one of my agent. I'm not seeing the another one. So this is the same one which I have created. Over here the scan and everything is completed. You simply have to go to this section. You can able to see 3 are the passed, 13 are the failed, not applicable is also, and the score of your system is also be reflected over here. As I am not using the appropriate SSH hardening protocols, that was the reason it's showing me so many things over here itself. You can see all the stuff related to that. Even the failed one is related to the SSH only. Then you can see these sections also. The password is not appropriately defined. It's not getting, like, there's no password policy. Everything is related to that only, as I have not done a lot of things on my machine itself on Kali so far. So that was the reason it's not having so many days. If I have worked almost for months and then I'll try to get a scan, definitely a lot of things it's get identified with this. But if your system, if you want to identify like whether it's fit secure or not, you just simply have to integrate with this. Just put it on your server, then try to see the status of it. This is the stuffs will showcase you everything about it, the understanding and everything about that machine itself, whether it's secured or not. Okay, so that is the stuffs about it. So now I think these are the stuffs which I just want to showcase to you, and I hope like you like this video. So if you like this video, please like this video itself and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much once again. Take care. Bye bye.